Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I want to add a crypto payment on my website. So I have this website over here. Now this is my personal my business website, Kitech Digital. Most of you who are over here knows this website because most of you have account over here. Now this is what Kitech Digital website. So what I want to do is I want to make this website look like this. So for instance, I want to buy this website. Now this is also one of my other website. It's called Online Digital Store. So if you want to learn WordPress or any course that you want to learn, you can also come over here. I'll put the link in the description. Now I have a lot of digital things over here that if you want to buy, you can buy. But the funny thing is, on this website you only use cryptocurrency to buy anything that you want to buy over here. So for instance, if I want to, let's say, buy this checklist over here, or let's say fit to be pregnant. So if I want to buy this one over here, I can click on it and then add to cart. Okay, so if I want to add it to cart, I can just add it to cart, and then I would proceed to checkout. So let me proceed to checkout over here. Now this is the checkout page. So as you can see, it says what cryptocurrency checkout by Nimic. Okay, so this is what we want to add to this website over here. Now if you look at this website, so let's say I want to buy this soccer template over here. So let me close this thing. Okay, so I'm gonna add it to cart. So after checking everything that I want to check, I want to add it to cart. So I'm gonna add it to cart, and then I'm just going to checkout. Okay, go to checkout straight away. So this is my checkout page. Okay, now as you can see, I have payment after review, and then debit or credit card or mobile money. Okay, now I want to also I want to remove all these ones and then add the cryptocurrency over here. Okay, so that is exactly what to do. So I want to remove the debit or credit card or mobile money, and then I'll add this cryptocurrency over here. So how do I do it? So as you can see, if I click on accept payment over here, and then I click on complete payment, it will give me my order information, and it will tell me to pay. Okay, this button will come over here and it will tell me to pay. So let me click on the pay over here, and this is what is going to happen. So I have this BTC over here, okay, which will tell me to pay. Okay, so the fee will be written, everything will be written, and then when I click on pay, I will be given this QR code for me to scan to pay. Okay, now if I I have the address and I want to enter it manually, I can just click over here and then copy this address and then enter it into my BTC payment, and then I'll do the payment. Okay, so basically that is how it is, and this is what I want to add to my website. Okay, so without wasting my time, as you know how it is done over here, I'm going to close this one. Okay, and then I'll go back to my dashboard over here and then start adding the cryptocurrency payment onto my website over here. So this is very simple to do, and then if you follow my tutorial, you'll be able to quickly add cryptocurrency payment onto any WooCommerce website that you want to add. So stick with me, don't go anywhere, and then let's add cryptocurrency payment onto our website. Okay guys, so we are at the back end of the website. Okay, so at the back end of our website, now this is an e-commerce website because I have a lot of products on it. So that is exactly what we are going to use. Okay, so make sure that your website have e-commerce installed, and then hover on WooCommerce over here. Okay, now scroll down to settings. Okay, just click on settings. Okay, so under settings, okay, we are going straight to the payment tab over here. So click on the payment over here, and then from the payment tab, okay, you realize that we do not have that payment that we want. Okay, so that's what I want you to know. So we want to install a new payment system. Okay, so now the payment system on it, we have PayStack, cash on delivery, check payment, and then direct bank transfer. Okay, so these are the other payments on it, and then we have activated the check payment, and then what the cash, the PayStack over here. So we want to install a new payment or integrate a new payment system on our website. So what we are going to do is we're going to go over to plugins over here. Okay, so on the menu, WordPress menu tab over here, hover on plugins over here, and then click on add new. Okay, so now that we are over here in the plugins directory over here, now we're going to search for a plugin called cryptocurrency checkout by Nimic. Okay, so this is the plugin that we're going to install. Okay, so it is by Nimic over here. Okay, so this is a plugin. Now before we install it, I want you to open this one in a new tab, because we're going to use this page. We have to be registered at Nimic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click over here and then open in a new tab over here. Now whilst it is open, I'll click on install over here. Now that it is installed, I'm going to click on activate. Okay, very good. So our website is what the Nimic plugin is what activated. Okay, but as you can see, there is a notice over here. Your store uses a currency that is currently not supported by the cryptocurrency checkout by Nimic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change my currency. Okay, so my currency is in Ghana cedis. So I'll go back to WooCommerce over here, and then I'll click on settings. Now I'm going to scroll down, okay, and then change my currency from Ghana cedis to the USD. Okay, so I'm going to change it to the US dollars. Okay, then I'm going to click on save changes. Okay, so now it is saved. Okay, but I still have the notice over here, so don't worry about it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on update WooCommerce database, and then see if that notice will go away. Okay, so as you can see, the notice is gone. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to settings again, and then under settings I'm going to come to payment over here. Okay, now you can see that the cryptocurrency checkout by Nimic is is now showing at the payment methods over here. Okay, so what I'll do is I'm going to click on setup to check the setup. Now that the reason why I told you to open the new this page is because we have to create an account on Nimic website. Okay, so what you have to do is we need to get it is compulsory. That is why this red dot is over here. It means that it is compulsory. So you have to get Nimic wallet address. Okay, and then you can add any other address that you want to add to it. So you can add the Bitcoin, Ethereum, all to it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll go to Nimic over here. Now if you don't have any account, you can click on hover on this place, and then you can log in. Okay, so just log in. If you don't have an account, you will be able to sign out. Okay, so sign up for it. So make sure that you sign up for Nimic account. Okay, sign up for it. Now I already have an account, so as you can see, this is my account over here, and I even have 0.0002 dollars USD in it, which is 0.1 Nimic. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll come to settings over here. Now if you create an account and then you you log into your account, what you're going to do is what, just click on settings over here. Now it's very easy to what, to to log in. Okay, so this is how your account really the settings aspect really looks like. So we have all the currencies that supports Nimic over here, and then any other thing you want to use is also over here. Okay, now these are also your various account. Okay, these are also your various account over here. Okay, so now how do you get your Nimic web address? How do you get it? So let's click on the account over here. Now you can see over here, okay, this is the your address. Okay, this is your address. So just click on it to copy it, and then come over here, and then you have to paste it over here. Okay, just paste it over here. Now you also need your Bitcoin, because basically I'm not going to accept money with this one, but this is the compulsory one. But the Bitcoin is what I'm going to use to accept money. So you need your Bitcoin wallet, okay, or wallet address. So, or the public wallet account public key. That is what you need. So go to your Bitcoin over here. So continue to log in. I was logged out, so I want to click on continue to log in, and then I'm going to log into my blockchain wallet. So I use blockchain, so I'm going to log into my blockchain. So any other wallet that you use, either Coinbase or whatever it is, you can go over there, but I use blockchain, so I want to use this one. Okay, so now that I'm over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this user icon over here, and then let me close this one. Click on this user icon over here, and then I'll come to wallet and addresses, and then I'm going to copy my my public address. So I'll go to manage over here to manage my my wallet. So this is my wallet address. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this, under this manager is an arrow, small arrow over here. I'm going to click on it, and as you can see, it says show X pop just show X pop. Okay, so I'm going to click on it, and then it's going to show me my public wallet address. Okay, so what I'm going to do is this says don't share your whatever it is. So I'm going to just copy this one, copy it over here, and then I will come, I'm going to close this one. I'll come to the WooCommerce side, and I'm going to paste this one over here. Okay, so now that I paste it over here, this is my wallet account public key. Okay, so now that I have it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here and then click on save. If you have Ethereum, of course you can use that one. I'm going to click on save. Okay, so as you can see, it is it is saved, and then it is ready to be used. Okay, so I'm going to click on this back arrow over here, and then I will activate the plugin. I'll activate the payment method by checking or enabling this button over here. It is enabled, and I'm going to click on save. Okay, so now if I go back to my checkout page right now, okay, let me go back to my checkout page right now, and then let me refresh it. So as you can see, because I changed the currency, it has also changed. Okay, the currency have changed. Now if I scroll down, you can see that I have cryptocurrency checkout by Nimic over here. Okay, so I can just decide to choose this one. Okay, and then accept terms and conditions, and then click on place order, and then I'm going to have this checkout thing over here. Okay, now all what I need to do is to click on pay with Nimic or Bitcoin over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it, and then it's going to open what the new tab, which is the where I will do my payment over here. And then as you can see, my Bitcoin account will show. Okay, so pay with Bitcoin, and then I'll have this one, and then anybody can whoever is paying, I can scan and then pay with the Bitcoin. So at the moment you scan and then you pay, the transaction will go through, and then everything will be successful. So that is how you can be able to add cryptocurrency payment on your website. This is very simple and then very easy to use. I hope everybody can be able to use this one to add cryptocurrency payment on his or her website. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. If you are new over here, I will entreat you to like and subscribe to the video. And then also, guys, if you want to join my membership, of course you can be able to join the membership. There is a tab in the in the description over there or below the video. You can click on it to click on join membership over there. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you in the next video. I also have before I go, I also have a Patreon account. So if you want to support the channel, you can go ahead and then subscribe to my Patreon. I'll leave the link in the description over there, so that you can help this channel to grow. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.